Naglabas na ng statement si Chito Miranda kaugnay sa pagkakahuli ng kanyang asawang si Neri Miranda. Ayon kay Chito, naawa umano siya sa kanyang asawa dahil anya, ginamit lang umano si Neri bilang endorser ng produkto, ngunit siya pa umano ang nakulong. Wala daw kinalaman si Neri sa perang di umano'y na estafa. Praying na ma-sort out na ang lahat ng ito. Kawawa naman yung asawa ko. Never nanloko si Neri at never siya nanlamang sa kapwa. Never siyang kumuha or nanghingi ng pera kahit kanino man. Alam ng lahat yan. Tulong lang siya ng tulong hanggat kaya niya. Minsan kahit di na nakakabuti sa kanya. Kadalasan nga naaabuso na siya pero hinahayaan niya na lang basta wala siyang ginawang masama. Pinapasa Diyos niya na lang. Tulad ngayon, endorser lang siya tapos ginamit yung face niya to get investors. Kinasuhan siya ng mga nabiktima. Tapos last week, bigla na lang siyang inaresto for the same case. Kahit hindi pa siya binigyan ng notice na may bagong criminal complaint pala laban sa kanya. And di niya defend yung sarili niya. Wala siyang na-receive na letter from the prosecutor. Walang sabina, walang kahit anong notice. Yung mga dati na-receive namin niya at nag-comply siya. Alam naman ng lahat na madali kami mahanap sa Alfonso. Anyway, dinampot na lang siya bigla. Na-dismiss na yung mga similar na kaso sa ibang lugar and we're praying na sana ma-dismiss na din ito. Wala siyang kinuhang pera sa ibang tao. Lahat ng pera nila na kay Chanda, ang may-ari ng Dermacare. Sobrang bait po ni Neri, as in sobra. Ito yung babaeng kinulong nyo without bail habang nakalaya pa yung mga tunay na may kasalanan. Samantala, kalakip ng statement ni Chito ay ang mensahe ng Dermacare na kung saan nakasaad ang paghingi ng apology kay Neri Naik dahil sa pagkakasangkot nito sa issue ng kanilang kumpanya. Dear Miss Neri, I want to begin by expressing my sincere apology on the current issues that Dermacare is going through right now, to which you are not supposedly to be part of. And it is with this in mind that I address the ongoing issue that has arisen regarding our partners. As you are likely aware, there is a current issue surrounding our inability to distribute shares to some of our investors. We understand and share your concern for fairness and transparency in this matter. However, it is essential to recognize that this situation is complex, and we are actively working towards resolving it in the best interest of all parties involved, most particularly our valued investors. While we respect your desire to support the investor is questioned, we kindly request that you reconsider your involvement in this matter. Taking sides in a complex financial dispute can escalate this situation and hinder our ability to reach an equitable resolution. It is crucial that we allow the proper channels and legal process to unfold, enabling us to find a fair solution that respects the rights and interests of all parties. We believe in fairness and transparency, and we are committed to resolving this issue as swiftly as possible. There were already some group of investors who have shown support on resolving this problem internally, thus allowing us to continue the business and deliver what is due to the investors. We value your dedication to your name and the positive influence you have on your audience. Thus, by remaining neutral and allowing the appropriate procedures to take place, you can help us maintain our commitment to our partners. We would appreciate your kind understanding and cooperation in this matter. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be more than happy to provide further information and updates on the situation. We are confident that by working together and allowing the process to unfold, we can find a solution that serves the best interest of all, most particularly our partners, and upholds the values that our brand represents. We look forward to resolving this issue in a manner that reflects the principles of fairness and commitments that we hold. Samantala, nagpaabot naman ng pagsuporta ang ilan sa mga malapit sa mag-asawang Miranda. Narito kami handang tumulong, Chito. Ang product endorser ay isang talent at hindi dapat nananagot sa iligal na gawain ng may-ari at management ng isang korporasyon. Biktima rin si Neri tulad ng ibang nabiktima ng mga estafador sa likod ng kumpanya. Habulin dapat yung mga may-ari naway madismiss o may balik ang kaso sa piskalya para sa preliminary investigation at ma-lift up na makwash ang arrest warrant. The top 7 most wanted is so questionable, like seriously? Paano naging most wanted? Sobrang visible nga at active pa sa social media. Kung gustong hanapin, mahanap agad. Pambihira sa bansa natin, kilalang tao at may pera na yan, wala sa ayos ang pag-aresto. Paano pa kami mga mahirap, wala ng papel-papel, kulong agad? Naghihintay nga ako na mag-post kayo about what happened after the news broke because I know that there was story behind it. Isa kasi ako sa mga bilib sa diskarte, tiyaga at galing ni Miss Neri sa pag-handle ng mga businesses nyo. I patronize some of her products and I even want to have my own business in the future. She is really self-made. I hope everything will be resolved soon. Praying for guidance and strength for the whole family as you work to overcome these challenges. Just pray lang po, bakit naman nasa news na most wanted si Neri palagi kayong sinusubaybayan sa IG nyo kung saan bansa kayo nagigig at kung saan kayong lugar nagagala mag-asawa. So unfair talaga ang mundo. Grabe talaga ang mga taong inggitero, gagawin ng lahat masiraan lang ang isang idealistic na taong katulad ni Miss Neri Nae. Prayers lang, mananaig pa din ang totoo, tutulungan kayo ni Lord. Basta alam nyo sa puso nyo na wala kayong ginawang masama, nakikita ng nasa taas yan. Sa sobrang bait mo, minsan yan din magpapahamak sa'yo. I'm praying na malagpasan po ninyo itong nangyari sa inyo, especially kay Miss Neri. Praying for Neri and the whole family, cheats. Absolutely absurd na walang warrant of arrest or notice, bigla na lang dinampot. Gagawin na namang example dahil sikat.